I forgot to include this in the last video, but for my lashes and for my eyebrows, naglagay ako ng white liquid lipstick for that frozen effect. And speaking of frozen, decided to go with the white dress na nililace up ng aking mommy and sister.
Sobrang sikip na safe, di ka na makahinga. Sige, ano mo ulit lang.
Okay guys, ang white dress na nga po ang nagwagibe sa ating winter makeup. And before I wear my jewelry, spray muna tayo nito. Nahanap ko to sa TikTok shop. Ito ay glitter spray. Paparating na ang disco ball. Actually, may amoy siya. Amoy biscuit. Or gutom lang ako. For my perfume, alam nyo na to, my favorite, Victoria's Secret Peace Sugar Fleur. Para may kasamang sugar ang ating biscuit. Accessorizing with my dangling necklace, dangling earrings, and some crystal bracelets. Now, speaking of crystal, look at this. I have this crystal thigh-high boots. Oh my goodness. I forgot I got this from Steve Madden, but when I saw this dress, I remembered meron pala ko nito. Okay, so I have my boots here. Hindi ko malaman kung paano ko papakita sa inyo ng buo. But anyway, magpa-flash na lang ako dyan ng pictures o OOTD videos.
Chilling with that frost pout, look who's stepping out so icy. Dripping heads like so twin, baddie right beside me. Poison ready, icy aura coming through. Mirror who the coolest, cause I think that I might be. Step one, icy eyes, one swipe. Step two,